What if I told you that the real secret behind successful outsourcing in civil engineering is not advanced technology or impressive cost savings, but people? Have you ever wondered why some global collaborations thrive and deliver outstanding results, while others collapse under pressure? Today, we take a closer look at the human side of outsourcing, where culture, motivation, and values play a decisive role in shaping success. Before we begin, share your opinion in the comments. Do you believe people matter more than processes in engineering projects? Your perspective could inspire valuable discussions. When people talk about outsourcing in civil engineering, the first thing that often comes to mind is numbers. How much cost can be reduced? How can efficiency be improved? How are resources allocated? All of these aspects are important, but they never capture the entire picture. Behind every design, every 3D model, and every deadline, there are real engineers working tirelessly. It is the human factor that transforms a contractual arrangement into a genuine partnership. And it is people with their values, creativity, and determination who ultimately decide the success or failure of global projects. Civil engineering projects today are more complex than ever. Teams are spread across different continents, working through time zone differences, cultural barriers, and rapidly changing technical requirements. In such an environment, it is tempting to see outsourcing as a matter of project management tools and budget control. But the truth is that technology alone does not hold teams together. At the heart of every collaboration are engineers who bring not only their technical expertise, but also their creativity, passion, and sense of responsibility. When outsourcing creates space for these qualities to flourish, projects achieve far more than efficiency. They deliver innovation, resilience, and long-term value. Consider for a moment the role of communication. Miscommunication is often the hidden reason behind delays, cost overruns, and design errors. Clear communication across different cultures requires patience, respect, and understanding. A human-centered outsourcing approach fosters this kind of dialogue, ensuring that information flows smoothly and that misunderstandings are minimized. When teams understand each other not only professionally but also culturally, collaboration becomes faster, easier, and far more effective. Another dimension of the human side is stability. Projects that stretch over months or years require continuity. High turnover or unstable teams create gaps that no software can fix. Stable teams, where people feel valued and motivated, maintain consistency from start to finish. This consistency builds confidence, not only within the engineering teams but also for clients and stakeholders who rely on predictable outcomes. Cultural diversity also plays a powerful role. Different backgrounds bring different problem-solving approaches. A team that integrates perspectives from multiple cultures can anticipate risks more effectively and generate more creative solutions. For example, when designing infrastructure that spans regions with different climates or regulatory standards, a diverse team can recognize challenges early and adapt accordingly. This diversity is not a weakness to manage, but a strength that amplifies innovation. As the civil engineering industry continues to evolve, the importance of human values in outsourcing will only increase. Companies that focus purely on transactions will struggle to achieve sustainable results. In contrast, companies that embrace the human side will discover something far greater than service providers. They will find long-term partners who add strength, creativity, and vision to every stage of their projects. These partnerships are built on trust, respect, and a shared commitment to excellence, forming the foundation for growth that lasts. In the end, outsourcing in civil engineering is not just about contracts, deadlines, or advanced tools. It is about people. Projects succeed when engineers are empowered, motivated, and connected across cultural boundaries. This is the real foundation of lasting success. And for those who are searching for more than just outsourcing, for companies looking for a partner that truly understands the human side of collaboration. Recognized internationally and trusted for both technical excellence and cultural understanding, AXA Engineers demonstrates that when people come first, success follows. Perhaps it is time to consider how AXA Engineers can become part of your journey to take projects to the next level.